Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Anthony with Wrenched Out Reviews, where we give you guys honest, real reviews and real feedback. So today we've got something pretty cool, and it goes kind of in line with what we've been talking about as far as EDC and concealed carry. So today we're going to dive into the Keeper magnetic gun mount, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so as I said earlier, it's Anthony with the Wrenched Out Reviews. Today we're going to be talking about the Keeper magnetic gun mount. And the reason that this kind of fits into what we're talking about in some of the discussions and videos that you guys have already seen is because to kind of build off of the EDC and to build off of the Conceal Carry, we wanted to add a magnetic gun mount to our assortment of tools and items that we have already in play. So we searched the internet and we searched Amazon, of course, and we found Keeper. So let's take a look at this. Links to this product and any other product you see in this video will be available below. So here it is right here. It comes in a nice little box. You have a nice little foam thing on top. And then, of course, Keeper's information card. And there it is. Comes with 4 mounting bolts and the magnet itself. So let's take a look at the magnet. And there it is. It says Keeper right across it. It is kind of a rubberized, a hard rubber coating that's on the exterior of it. Obviously, one nice thing that they did think about is the screws will be inset and not be sticking out, which is ideal for placing your gun on and off, so you're not scratching it on the metal. Now, talking about scratching, one of the big controversial things that I noticed and I was concerned about when I was looking for one of these options is scratching your pistol. So let's take a look at it. Today we're going to be using the Glock 19. The weapon is not loaded. There's no ammunition in the area, and if you are handling a firearm outside of the range, make sure that your weapon is not loaded, especially if you're doing YouTube videos. So let's see how this bad boy works and take a look at how well it does. So the magazine is out of it for the sake of the video, and again, no ammunition. So there it is. Very strong hold. Let's do kind of a shake test. So obviously, if you're going down a bumpy road, this bad boy is gonna stay gripped on there. And then, yeah, I mean, that is a pretty tight hold right there. Obviously, when you go to mount this, we're gonna mount this in our vehicle, but if you're gonna mount this anywhere, you're gonna wanna run it, obviously, the longer side, which is about 4.5 to 5 inches length, in conjunction with the barrel or the slide, simply because then you're gonna get the most grab out of it. So consider that when you go to install this. Now, we're not gonna do an install video. It's super simple. Simply 4 screws into any location that you want. Now, for our sake, we are mounting this in a vehicle, but obviously this could be utilized on your nightstand, under an office desk, in a closet wall. This could be utilized just about anywhere. Now, one thing to consider as well, and one of the reasons we're doing it here in the garage is because I wanted to do the test on, is it double-sided magnetic? And it is not. So the back side is not magnetic. So if we're planning on mounting this to a metal surface, it's gonna have to be screwed in. Now the other side, of course, is. So that is it. And again, this is made by Keeper. So now let's take a look at one of the big concerns, and that was the scratches, so forth and so on. I know I mentioned it earlier, but here it is again. I mean, there's nothing holding that bad boy on. It's not sliding. It's not doing anything. So let's take a look. And there it is. So there is no scuffing, there's no marking, there's no nothing on it. So again, shake it up a little bit, pull it off. No scuffing, no nothing left on the firearm. And mostly due to that rubber surface, and it's a super strong magnet, so it doesn't actually slide up and down. Now, obviously, when you go to remove it, you wanna go straight off. You don't wanna grind it back. I wouldn't suggest doing that. That may leave some scuff marks. I don't know. Now there's no scuff marks even then. But I would highly suggest not doing that, especially if you're pulling it repeatedly. So wherever you do mount it, just make sure that you have ample grip to grab the firearm and then pull it off of whatever location that you decide to go with. I mean, you could even do the top of the slide. Just like that. You can do the sides, anywhere. Obviously on the Glock, it's plastic on the lower, but if you've got a full metal framed weapon or pistol, it'll obviously grip anywhere you need it to grip. Super simple install. Again, 4 bolts comes with it. They are black and they do recess into the mount, which is obviously ideal. So that is really the Keeper Magnetic. We were super excited to get this because, again, we wanted to add it to not only Wrenched Out Reviews, and show you guys another really cool product, but to show you guys another option to add to your EDC. So there it is again, your everyday carry. Now this carry isn't necessarily on your persons. However, you may be carrying that in your holster like we do. Once you get into the vehicle, if you're going on a couple-hour ride, removing it from the holster and placing it either in your vehicle or possibly in your home. This bad boy ranges about 20 to, I've seen them 20 to about 30 bucks, and then obviously off brands and other brands can go way above or way below. But this is the brand we're going with. Links to this is down below. Hey, if you guys haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure and hit that subscribe button. We do a lot of firearm accessories, firearm and gun related reviews. In addition to that, we also do electronics, some of our drone gear, and many other things. But the one thing we can tell you is that we do give you guys real honest feedback. We're here to either prove the product wrong or show you how great it is. In this case, so far, it's great. We will do a recap video after it's installed and we've ran it through its paces. So we appreciate you guys stopping by. Don't forget, we're on Facebook, Instagram, obviously YouTube, and if you guys aren't following us there or subscribed yet, here is your opportunity, or wait until the end of the video. Check out some of our other content as well. We really do appreciate you guys liking, sharing, and of course, following us everywhere. So if you guys are handling guns, especially for the sake of video or showing people or whatever it is, make sure the firearm is not loaded and there's no ammunition in the area. If there's no ammo, there's no accidents. So stay tuned, because we got a lot of other cool content coming. All right, you guys be safe and we'll see you around.